This is a tutorial on how to sneak out. First, make sure your parents are not. But mine are up anyways. But this is a way to go out your window. Make sure it's unlocked. Don't be a retard. Mine's unlocked, and I'm about to sneak out of it. Make sure nobody hears you sneaking out. That's another. Make sure nobody hears you. That's one of the main points. Make sure nobody's passing cars through you. Then when you sneak out, come back is in the problem. Back to this. Did anybody watch any Onision videos? Isn't he awesome? Well, I'm bored. Wow. Don't you forget. Guys, you gotta subscribe to me. Or a little kid will die every moment you don't. If you don't subscribe to me, one little kid will die. There we go. Here's the first little kid. Mommy, are you there? I'm here. What's wrong, son? Mommy, you're there. On to the second.